Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, using the Revert settings function, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily undo any unwanted settings changes with the click of a single button. I'm in Eclipse, and right now you can see my display includes the info bar, the toolbar, and the status bar at the bottom. What I'm going to do is change some of the settings in my INI file so that I can show you how the revert function works. The revert function is able to revert any changes that you make to your settings. However, in order for it to work, you do have to use the revert function before your settings are saved. So you want to make sure that if you've made an error in changing your settings, that you use the revert function before you close out of Eclipse. So what I'm going to do first is make some changes to my INI file. So I've changed my display and I've changed the right margin of my most commonly used paragraph types to 0. I'm also going to go to my programming tab. I've removed all of my meta dictionary entries, and I'm going to do the same thing with my phonetics table. So now if I click on meta dictionary or phonetics, you see that those are both empty. What I'm going to do now in order to get my user back to the way it was when I began, I'm going to go to the user tab of my user settings. And since I have not yet closed out of Eclipse since making changes to my settings, the Revert Settings button is available. And if I press Revert Settings, all of my settings are instantly taken back to the way they were. If I right-click in my info bar, you see that all of my toggles have been re-enabled. If I go to my settings, to my Paragraphs tab, my right margin has been re-established back to 52 for all of my paragraph types. And in my programming tab, my meta dictionary and phonetics table have been repopulated. So all of my settings have automatically been restored to their state before I made any changes in this session of Eclipse. What is important to remember is that if you make a change to your settings, for instance, if I change the right margin of fixed to 0 again, if I close out of Eclipse and reopen Eclipse, that setting for the right margin of 0 has been saved. And if I go to Alt-U, Advanced, and hit Revert Settings, nothing will be reverted since there were no valid changes to be reverted in this session. Since I closed out of Eclipse after making this change became permanent, and the Revert Settings button was not able to undo it. So it's important to remember, if you make an accidental change to your settings, you want to immediately go to your User tab, Advanced, and hit Revert. And that will automatically and instantly restore your user INI file to the state that it was at the beginning of your current work session in Eclipse. Thank you for watching this video. As a reminder, Advantage Software offers anytime support 24/7. Tech support can be reached anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.